What's up guys, Tiny here, and welcome to another pack opening. This time we're doing until the 1000 FIFA points. Later you'll see I have 2950, so it's around 1950 FIFA points. So, let's go. So, guys, let's begin. As you can see, here's the team of the week. The same one as last episode with Nasri, Robin and Bale, the ones I want to get, but also second informed Ramsey's, also not bad, and informed Terry. So let's go. So guys, the first pack is with Messi on the front. Who will we get? Please just give me inform. I need something better to compensate for the last pack opening. This is shit like this one. Oh my god. Another shit pack like last time. So yeah. Let's hope it goes better, because this is shit. We get Samuel again, just like last time. Is everything the same as last time? We get Samuel again. Bullshit. That count this one. It was Alaba who got us Clichy or Oscar, one of those two, so fuck out. Did he? I don't remember him giving us anything good, and this time he doesn't give us anything good either. 3 rare things that I don't want. Come on, just give me rare players and that are worth something. So guys, that is 3 packs full. Yeah, I don't remember. Yeah, that's 3 packs. 4th pack we get 4. Yeah. Oh, we do get 2,000 coins. Okay. Not bad, not bad. I'll take that. And the rest are just storing the club, because Alaba, come on. Will he give us the bell and form we're after? Please, just please. Faton. It's okay. Oh. It's not bad, but it's not good either. Faton, I probably, don't know what to say about him, because he's good, but it doesn't go for much, I think. Another shit pack we do, no, that doesn't show either. Store everything in club and quick sell. Kearney. Vidal. Will you help us this time? Come on, please. Come on. No. That is shit. Oh, a free gold pack. Take that, maybe Bell is in there. Just open it straight away this time. And Vidal on the cover of this one. Let's go. Just hope there's a rare player in here and we get all that John. Dutch player. It's free, so I should not complain, but of course I'd rather have something worth something. Yeah. Okay, in this pack we get Pandev and Pepe. At least 2 rare players. I think I shouldn't complain about that, because yeah, rare players are rare players. Go more, they quick sell for more than a non-rare. So yeah. And in this pack we get Fabio. Another shit pack. It's unbelievable. And in this one, Messi on the front. 600 FIFA points to go. 450 after this pack. Come on. Can we get someone good? Can we? And it's... No, we can't. And beta is even duplicates. It's just... Okay. I think it's 3 more packs to go. So let's get someone good. And we get no one. Mourinho. But for the rest we get nothing. So yeah. Pretty disappointed about this. So we get Consigli and another 1,000 points, gold coins, and then put him into the transfer list. I saw the rest of the club. So the last pack. Once I opened the packs in my last pack, I got a new form. So maybe this time, maybe the FIFA gods have done this for us. Please, come on, let's do this. Let's do this. Why? Why? Seriously, why? This is unbelievable. Well guys, I'll see you after the team I've made, so see you then. So guys, I'm back and I've actually made a team, but I decided why not open some more packs, because it's been shit so far, and maybe we'll get something in these 1,000 FIFA points. I'm going to open them anyway, so why not? So in the first pack for now, because of these 1,000 FIFA points, we get name Carasano. Thing is, the highest rated player we actually got so far. Yes. Yeah. Normally I wouldn't be happy with that, but it's the highest player so far. Oh no! No, I'm talking rubbish. We got Samuel Fatong, they're 82. And we get Nesta this one. You got a legend on PS3. You hear a lot of people say that. So funny, just like Henry is also a legend. The funny thing is, I'm on PS3, so I got a legend on PS3. And I get Luis Gustavo. Oh, 1,500 points. Just take those. So K-packs, we actually got 2 rares in this pack. Yeah, we just want an inform. Or someone who's at least worth 10k. I mean, like, would that hurt someone? No. And who do we get in this pack? Come on. Come on, we get Giroud. Yeah. No. Not good. Not good. So I think it's 2 packs to go, yeah. 2 premium gold packs then, so who do we get in this one? We get Herman. Alright, should we, come on, let's get something in the last pack. Because otherwise, this just, I won't do any more. Won't open packs or FIFA anymore. Jesus, that's fucking rubbish. And we get rubbish. Did make like 6k quick, so but we're gonna end this one with a normal goal. If there's something in this one, it's just unbelievable. That would really piss me off. And we get Gignac. So guys, that's it for today. I'll show you the team. I'll fix the team again after this 1,000 FIFA points and show you how it looks in. So see you in a sec. So guys, this is the team with Vorm, Vertongen, Samuel, Jesus, Gomez, Duarte, Pepe, Nocerino, Adriano, John, Emmanuelson, De Jong and Pandev. Of course there's some better players on the bench, but I did this bit to show the chemistry up, which is 78 and the rating is 79. So guys, thank you for watching. This was a shit pack opening and a waste of money, so I'll see you guys later for a new video. See ya.